Hey everyone, I just wanted to pop back on to let you all see my new set of locks that I had installed today. As you can see, they are comb coils and the grid pattern is a brick pattern. And I don't know if you can see that. The size of the locks that I ultimately want to have is medium small. And so these are the size of the comb coils that the loctician established. And yeah, so it's going to be really interesting going through this journey. The last time I established locks, I established them with comb coils, but my hair was a lot longer. My hair literally was maybe up to here after the coils were established. So this is different, not having that length. So definitely got to get used to that. But at the same time, I'm just trying to go with the flow and not overthink anything. I'm going to enjoy the process. I'm going to enjoy watching them bud and seal and grow. And that's it. So let me give you a close up. Get to the back. So the back, again, coming off of a short tapered cut, the back of my head, super, super short. But instantly I felt so relieved to have my locks installed just that fast. I felt like, wow, like I literally, there's nothing to do. I have literally nothing to do with my hair. I don't have to do anything to it other than keep it as moisturized as I can, keep it tied down at night, of course. I will not be washing my hair until at least a month. I will go back to the same loctician in January. The loctician was really nice. She's here in the Raleigh-Durham Chapel Hill area, which is where I live. And she did a really good job. She was super nice, which made the process easier. This whole appointment took a little less than 3 hours for her to wash, condition, and put the coils in. And then I sat under the dryer for about 20 minutes. The coils are done on wet hair, if you didn't know. And yeah, so of course, when you get coils, the shrinkage is real. Boop. But it's all good. So I realized on my last video, I did not really include a full picture of what my hair looked like prior to this installation. So I'm going to pop in 1 or 2 pictures of my hair right before my lock appointment. So I plan to update you guys once a month. I think a monthly video is enough. You don't need anything more than that unless something crazy happens. But yeah, I plan on updating you guys at least once a month on this journey. And thank you so much for coming back, for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. So it has been 2 days since I've had these comb coils started, installed. As you know, starting my new lock journey all over again. And guess where I'm going today? I'm going back to the hair salon today, back to the stylist who started my hair. Why? Because I don't have a middle part. I do not have a middle part. I specifically asked for a middle part. We had a small conversation about the fact that I wear my hair in a way where a middle part is necessary. The stylist even stopped during the middle of the service to make sure my middle part was there. But lo and behold, the day I got my locks installed, that night, after I kind of got over, the newness of it, they were fully dry. I wasn't worried about them getting frizzy or anything like that. I just started looking at my parting. I started moving the locks around, etc., only to find out that there was no middle part, that there were locks where my middle part should have been. And so I just want to show you that. I have a part here on the side. Here is where my middle part should be, but it's not there. It's It's not there. I don't know what to say about it. It's not there. This is not a middle part. And I didn't notice it at the time of the service. I didn't notice it. I even went to the restroom afterwards and looked at my hair in the mirror. I did not notice that there was not a middle part. The only thing I can think of is that even though I wanted a middle part, I wanted my locks to fall to the side. The reason for that is just to give it a little style. I didn't want them falling all back, in other words. And because of that, the locks were falling to the side and it looked like I had maybe like a bang. And so because of that, I didn't notice that there was no middle part until I got home. Reached out to the stylist. She was very apologetic. And so I'm heading over there today for a 1:30 appointment to get this corrected. A little annoyed because of the fact that we discussed the fact that I wanted a middle part and because she told me she was checking. Oh, I just want to make sure your middle part is there, but there's no middle part. So in any event, I have to drive all the way back across town to get this resolved. I'm assuming she's going to have to take out quite a few of these coils because really and truly, if I'm going for a brick pattern, a lot of these coils up here, the parting is not really brick anymore. I don't know what happened. This is my most prominent part off to the side here, and then it's slanted. So my hair is naturally kind of falling like this. I don't know, but in any event, I don't imagine it's going to be that big of a deal to fix. Obviously not. She'll just unravel these coils and start anew. So I'll check back in once this is done. Let this be a lesson. Your grid pattern, your parting, super important when you're starting your locks. At least they are for me. Check your grid pattern throughout the process, throughout the installation. I know it's annoying. The loctician or stylist may not want to stop and start, but I would say at least once or twice. Get a mirror while you're sitting there in the chair and make sure that your locks are, the parting is what you want. In any event, talk to you soon.